Okay, welcome back friends to this channel and this is the AutoCAD series and video number 7. In this video we will learn how to make, like, we have made some of the 2D things and now we will learn about making isometric figures, right? How we can make these figures into, like, this is not a part of 3D but this is a part of 2D, but we can show the things in 3D perspective, right? So over here I have added two pictures in this AutoCAD, like how the isometric view looks like. You can see uh, this one of the picture of AutoCAD. We will be trying to make this picture in the AutoCAD, and you can see this picture also. It is quite simple. We can easily make these pictures over here. So let's start with drawing this picture into Autodesk. You can see the grid, right? The grid is in front of you, like it is just a 2D plane in front of you. But if I want to draw something into this isometric view, so I need to change the angle of these grid lines. So what you need to do is you can just follow this cursor, just follow the cursor, nothing else. You can see this thing, like isometric drafting off on, right? Either it is visible over here, or if this thing is not onto your screen, you can just right click onto this grid or snapping tool, right? You can just go to the snap settings. Once you have opened this snap drafting settings, right, then you need to go into this one, snap and grid. Into snap and grid, this is the isometric snap. Normally you are into the rectangular snap, that is you are going, let's say you are making 2D plans or the elevation or the side views, you have to make it into the rectangular snap. But if you have to make something into the isometric, then you have to change this snap. While clicking over here, you can see the change in the grid. Click OK and you can now see that grid is into the isometric pattern, right? You can easily see this one. So if I can directly turn on and off the isometric view from this icon. You can just follow the cursor. If you found this one onto your screen, you just click onto that. You can turn on and off this grid pattern. Now another one, I have to make this picture, right now my the drawing is not in so doesn't matter. You only need is to make this thing into that particular units. But I am having the uh, inches and feet unit setting, so I will be making the same picture. The only need the only thing is that you should be knowing that how the commands are working. Whatever the dimension doesn't matter. So let's say I am turning on the isometric view. So you can see there is a change in the cursor lines direction, right? So same, take line command, click over here. So you will be able to make sure your ortho is on. Okay. So while the ortho is on, you can see the lines are only moving into those isometric pattern. Let's say in this direction it is okay. So if you want to make this into particular okay, I will be making it into inches, right? Starting from here, 20, 20, 80, 20, 20, 40 and 40 and 80. Okay, so I will be making this 80 inches. Okay, so you can see the 80 inches is just this much, right? So I will be considering my own dimensions, but I will make sure that you will be able to draw this dimension, this figure, whatever the dimensions are there, right? So over here 80 in this direction is also 80 inches. Then I will be making 20 inches, 20 inches, like instead of 20 I am just making 20 inches. So you can see how easily I have made the side view of this figure, right? So this one I will be making it a little bit closer to this so that I can show you side by side onto the picture, right? So 40 and the another line. Now you can see I cannot, if the ortho is on, I cannot make the line in this direction. In the upper direction I can make, or in this direction I can make, but in this direction I cannot make, right? From left to right. So what you need to do, just press F5. If you press F5 button, you can change the ortho this direction, rectangular snap direction. Just see. Okay, now I'm pressing the F5 button. Now F5 is pressed. Now I am pressing the F5. You can see the change in the direction, right? So make sure F5 key of the keyboard. So sorry, line command. Click on that. Okay, now let's say 40 or 60. So this is 60 inches. Over here it is total 80 inches, right? In this direction again it is 20 inches. In the downward I cannot go in the up and down direction, so I have to again press F5. So in the up and down direction it is again 80 inches, not 80, it will be 60. 60 inches. Now I will be connecting the line over here. Again line command. So over here it is 60 inches and then combining it to the this part, right? So again taking line command, clicking at this point. I cannot make the line in this direction. I have to press F5 key again. F5 key, 3 steps are there, so this means 60 inches. So 60 inches, then I will be connecting over here. Double enter, again I will be into the line command. 20 inches, 20 inches, 20 inches, again 20 inches, 20 inches, then stopping the line over here. Again line command, connecting the lines. Just see, I'm just connecting the lines over here, or you can use the copy command also over here. Okay, just see, now you can see I have made the same figure but the dimensions are different. Doesn't matter, instead of 20 inches you can take it 20 meter, 20 mm, 20 centimeters. It's entirely up to you. So the same thing is over here, right? So this is how you can easily make this one. One thing is very important. If you have to make let's say any uh, circle into the isometric view, this is very important thing. Okay, very important. Just see this thing. Let's say I have made one box. Let's say 2 feet, not two, okay, 2 feet by 2 feet, 2 feet, a box of 2 feet. This direction 2 feet, again it is okay. Now if you see the front view of anything, it is having some circle inside. Let's say I will be turning off this isometric view. Now let's say there is a box, mm, uh, 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet, and there is a circle inside this box, taking the reference of diameter 1, no, not 1 feet, not 1 feet. Let's see, in the center the dia of that circle is the diameter of circle is uh, you can say 1 feet, right? The diameter is 1 feet and it is in the center of the this cube, right? So this is the front view is given to you, and you have to make the isometric view of this one, and the side view of the box is same like this. Let's say I will be giving you this one. So this is the I will be writing uh, this is, let's say, front 3 inches, no, 3 feet 3 inches, and this one is, let's say, side view, right? So sorry, 3 inches. Okay, this front and the side view is given to you. You have to create the isometric view. So over here I will be mentioning the dimensions to this one also, so you can, so it will be easy for you, right? So in any way you can see, and okay, showing this one dimension, the diameter of this one is 1 feet. It is the diameter, not the radius, right? So over here I have already created the box with the angular dimension 2 feet, 2 feet. Right now I need to create this hole over here. If you normally take a circle command, you cannot create a hole in the center, so it will not look like the real isometric hole over here, right? So what you need to do for this one, into the isometric view, if you need to create the hole, go into this ellipse. Okay, ellipse, select this ellipse. Now just wait. Mm, let me first of all, you need to go to this isometric view, right? Now after going into the perfectly isometric view, then you need to take this ellipse. Now once you have selected this ellipse, you just follow the cursor. Just see over here, iso circle is asked. So click on this iso circle. Now find the center point of this box. So this is a center point. Now it will ask you, right, what is the diameter? So pressing D, now you have to press the diameter is 1 feet. So you can see you have easily created the diameter of the circle of diameter 1 feet over here. If this, let's say, the circle is on this side also, so how you need to create this thing? First of all, change the direction of that isometric view. Press F5. Now again select that ellipse, then iso circle, find the center of the box, the side of the center, right? Click on this, right? So your iso view is not correct, change it. Now again go to that command ellipse, iso circle, find the center. It's not this is the center. Now press D, enter for diameter, then 1 feet for the value of the diameter. So this is how you can easily create the circle into the isometric view. So same as this, you can create the fillet also into this one. Select fillet command, multiple, the radius, let's say the radius of the fillet is 5 inches, not 5 inches, let's say 3 inches. Multiple I have already selected. First of all, make sure it is required like this. Okay, so if you have, like, let's say on every side it is required, see, right? So the thing is, if this curve is, you want to join this line over here, so how you are going to join the line. So the simple trick is create line in this direction, create a vertical line starting from here, not this, from here. So first of all I will create the fillet of this line, right? Now I can join the line to the tangent point. Same as in this case, you can join or you can move this line, right? So over here I will create the line in this direction, just of any length, because I have to use the fillet command between this line and this line. Now you can see, using the trim command I can just remove this line. This is not required at all. So same the fillet command I can use over here also, right? So this line is not required. So you can see I have created a box with a little bit fillet command into this one. Look, it's up to you if you want to use it in any curved surface, if you are making some curved surface. So this is how the isometric view can be created. This is also quite easy. You can practice this one. If some issue is there, you can put down your issue or doubt into the comment section, right? So if anything you want to learn more about the isometric section, how to go out of the come out of the isometric section, just click on this icon. Now again you are into the rectangular snap, right? So this is how you can create the isometric parts of any machinery or anything you want to display if the front view, side view, or the top view is given to you, right? So if any doubt is there, you can just put down your doubt into the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Like and share this video if you really like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone. So just put down into the comment section if you need any other video for the any other topic. Thank you everyone.